everybody. This is Bria with the Sogolytics training team, and we're here today for another feature focus. Today, we're focusing on adding translations using the Excel function. Now, some of you have already seen that you can add a new language using the automatic translation, which means that you can have the same survey in English and another language. In this example, we have Spanish. We're going to see what that looks like by using the Excel function. Now, adding translations with Excel is really great because it helps streamline your process. If you have a lot of languages to add at the same time, you only have to use one sheet, for example, or if you'd like just a little bit more control over your surveys, and also if you are working with a particularly specific dialect, you have some control over that as well. So we'll just pop over to the platform and we'll get started on what that process looks like. All right, here we are in Designer. You can see that we have our one-question survey. First things you'll want to do when getting ready to add your translations is actually enable the language for your survey. So we're going to pop under here, under the language selector, to add a language. And for this example, we'll be using French. We click Save, and you can see that our languages have been updated. Now we'll pop under here at Text and Translations, and we'll select Translate in Excel. Now, when you come in here, you can see the entire walkthrough is listed up at the top. So when you come in here after watching this video, you'll have a step-by-step. First thing we want to do is download the translation template, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a moment. Once you open that document, you'll have what looks like this. You'll have a section here with our new language added here with a blank section for our translations to go into. Your original will be over here, and if you have any other languages, they'll be listed along the side. Really important here is that you do not edit the highlighted cells. They're there so that the program knows exactly which areas need to go where. Important for mapping. And so then you'll just translate this whole section, which I'll do in just a moment, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here you can see through the magic of editing that I have added in my translations. Now we'll just save this file. You can rename it if you'd like to, and then we'll pop back over to the platform and see what this looks like once we upload it. All right, we're ready to upload our translation file. So we'll select this button. It's going to have some information here for you to read through. Just remember that you need to upload the same file, and you should not change anything that's in those highlighted cells, and you should be good to go. Once you select the file that you need, again, it's going to be the same template where you made the edits and you saved it. You'll add it here, and then you'll click Save. It'll load, and then it'll pop you back over to Designer. All right, we have everything loaded, so let's pop over to our preview and see what that looks like. And yep, now you can see here we have our English and the Spanish that we had earlier, and now we have a new button specifically for French. So once we open that, you can see that we have our survey, everything written out in French. Maybe we answer this question and send it off, and then we get our thank you page also translated into French. Great. So all of that has been how to add a translation using Excel. We really hope that it's something that really helps you with adding those new languages in. It really streamlines that process. And again, it's meant to be something that eases your design process a little bit. So let us know how it goes. Is it something that you enjoy using? Any tips that you would like to give us? That's it for today's Future Focus. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.